Hello, in this tutorial I'll guide you through the steps to limit or block access to specific drives on your Windows 11 computer. Step 1. Open File Explorer and access security settings. Open the Start menu, then type File Explorer and open it. Then right-click the drive you want to restrict and choose Properties. In the new window, go to the Security tab, then click Edit to begin changing permissions. Step 2. Add the user you want to restrict. Click the Add button. In the dialog, type the username of the account you want to restrict. Click Check Names. If it doesn't work, click Advanced, select Find Now, select the username from the list, and press OK. Make sure you choose the correct user and avoid restricting important administrator accounts. Step 3. Deny access permissions. Once the user is added, select them from the list. In the permissions area, check the Deny box next to Full Control. This blocks access completely. Click Apply and then OK. Confirm any warning messages by clicking Yes. Deny takes precedence over Allow. If a user belongs to multiple groups, the Deny permission will override any Allow permissions. Avoid applying this on the main Windows C drive. Click Continue to proceed. Step 4. Undo the changes if needed. To restore access, go back to Properties, then Security, select the user, uncheck Deny, and check Allow next to Full Control if necessary. After that, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any other questions or want more tutorials like this, feel free to ask. See you next time.